Dumelang, my name is Maatla Thipe, a 27-year-old young mother to a gorgeous, beautiful baby girl. So, who is Maatla? Your next Miss Universe 2027. There are two villages that I identify with, Shoshong and Tlokeng. So I want to be remembered as a woman who embodies the Botswana proverb, "Motho ke motho ka batho," because I believe our greatest strength is how we uplift one another as people. So if I lead with compassion, if I serve with purpose, then I would have made a meaningful impact. As Miss Universe 2027, my main focus here is economic empowerment. For I believe that each and every individual has a skill, has a talent that can be channeled into sustainable livelihoods. So what I'm trying to do here is build a system that will better sustain families from generation to generation. So what makes my story unique? Well, Maatla may not be the loudest in the room, but she's definitely the most impactful. Two characteristics about me. Definitely relentless when it comes to what I want, but I'm also observant. This combination allows me to understand people deeply, but to also overcome challenges swiftly. Thank you.